Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Ground Pounder's manager, fighting for the Sinistras, Headlock!
Yeah, you got that right. That's what we're drawing tonight. Tonight we're going to draw a Headlock from Transformers, Robots in Disguise. During a big match, Ground Pounder and his manager Headlock were accused of cheating and, got arrested after his manager went on a rampage across Cybertron. After his endorsement went on a rampage across Cybertron and tore apart the arena. Took half the elite guard to bring Ground Pounder behind bars. Anyhow, Headlock and Ground Pounder were back in the arena and all started to continue their mission on becoming the strongest fighters. Well, turns out all that rumors about Ground Pounder cheating was true. After Headlock used some sort of technology to make sure that his ally wins. That is just playing rude. What could I say? These two needed to get back in the arena. I feel like Headlock was a Decepticon wrestler as well. I just don't know that yet. Anyways, his Cybertronian vehicle form is a forklift. Kind of like Dirt Boss from Transformers Animated. You guys are free to check out that episode if you want. There we are. That is how you draw... That's how you draw Headlock from Transformers Robots in Disguise. Hopefully we'll get to see this guy again soon. Back in the arena one of these days.